Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce a new Alexa skill known as Mat Train. Now what this skill basically does is, if you are a daily commuter in a train, after a one-time setup of this train, you can now ask where is my train? So here we go. Alexa, ask Mat Train.
Welcome. Please say set up to set up your train.
Setup.
What's the train number?
16526.
Okay. So you would like to set up the train 16526, which is Kanyakumari EXP. If this is correct, please say proceed further.
Proceed further.
Perfect. You have successfully set up your train. If you would like to know status of your train now, you can say, where is my train?
Where's my train?
Train departed from Pirivam Road and late by 64 minutes.
Alexa, cancel.
Goodbye.